Okay, welcome back everybody. So listen here. So what's the important thing means they have asked the number of students. Okay. So what they say is number of students enrolled in different stream. Different stream means what? There are three different streams: science, humanities, occasional. Okay. And they are not only in the one school. They are in a senior secondary level in five schools. So school number A, school number B, school number C, school number D, school number E. What their question is, in what percentage? Okay, the what percentage? The total number of students in all the streams. Okay, all the streams. That means what in all A, B, C, D, E, all the schools, all the streams, science, humanities, and vocational taken together. They are common. They are common to all the departments in all the five schools. Okay, to the number of students only enrolled in science in school. They are asking the percentage. Okay, now what it means? First, we want to know the number of students in science stream of school A. Look at over here. So science stream is what it is shown by the cross line, cross blue line in the small box. Okay, what's the cross blue line here? It is 60. Is it right? So always these three belongs to one school. Okay, so three because first one belongs to science, then humanities, and then vocational. So C means what? These three belongs to C. D means these three belongs to D. E means the last three belongs to E. Okay, look at this one here. So number of students. So number of students have taken only the science group. Okay, science group of school A because that is very very important. Okay, school A is very very important. So how many members is? Look at over here. So totally 60 members available in science department of school A. Okay, so you get 60. Now what do you have? So you have the all the streams taken together, all the students taken together in five school. That means what? Together means what? Add. Always listen here. The small clue is called what? Together means I had to add everything. That's called what? Addition. So first one in school A. Take the school A. How many members means what? In science 60 is available, and in the humanities 70, and in the vocational 50 available. So totally how much members available? 180 members available. Is it right? Okay. Then you want to go for the school B. In school B, how many members available in science? 78, 82, 40. So 78, and then afterwards 82, and then afterwards 40. So totally 150, 160 is equal to 200 members available in all the departments. So then you want to go for the school C. School C, how many members available? 45, 35, 40, 45, 40, 35, no pressures. Okay, so 45 members in science, 35 members in humanities, and 40, sorry, 30, 40, 45 members, I'm sorry. Okay, 40 members in humanities, and 40 members in the vocational group. So totally how much you may get? So 40, this is, I'm sorry, this is the 40, oh, sorry. So 1 minute, so I got a small confusion. Okay, 45 plus 40, 35. Okay, so it's 45 plus 40. Okay, 45 plus 40, and then the last will be 35. Okay, so total how much? 45 plus 95, 95 plus 35, 130. Is that right? So 130 is available, and you want to go for the school D. So school D, how much members available? 40, 45, 40. So 40 plus 45 plus 40. So totally how much members is available means 80, 125. Okay, then school E. School E, how much numbers means 40 plus 35 plus 50. So I just write a 40 plus 35 plus 50, which is equal to 75, 125. So and add all the numbers. So add represents together in all the five schools. So you have to add means what you get 180 plus 380. So 380 plus 100, 480, 510, and 510 plus combined 250, 510 plus 250. So 510 plus 200, 700. So totally 760 members available. Is that right? Now what it means out of 760, how much members representing the science group of school A? So that is about 60. So if you want to get a cancel, and if you want to multiply with 100, because they ask the percentage, is it right? So automatically, if you take it as means what 6 by 76. So if you make a calculation, it will comes around 8. Okay, so 8 means what you make it, because automatically if you do the calculation, and then you will get a 8 as the answer. Okay, so do the thing. Okay, I hope you made an answer. So if you go by this one, 6 by 76. Okay, please make a calculation and you'll get the answer of 8. Okay, okay, thank you very much.